Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to add a PayPal button on your website. Go to paypal.com, click login, log in on your PayPal. Come to tools, all tools, from here you must choose the button you want. Okay, if you want to sell something using PayPal, if you want to add a button to sell multiple items, if you want to add a button for donation, we're going to use this button for donation. Click the button. Select your country. Select the language. You can choose the size you want. You got large, you got small. You can show the card you accept, or you can use your own button. Okay, click continue. Choose how to display your organization name and logo. You can see, you can either say don't display a logo or use another logo. I'm gonna say display a logo. This is optional. You click continue. You choose the currency you want to receive your donation. You choose an exact amount if you want. Because it's a donation, you can say any amount. Let donor make monthly recurrence donation. You can say yes or no. Say continue. So here is optimal, so you don't have to change nothing. You click finish and get code. So you can either use this URL, okay? You can share this URL, or you can print this URL code. So what I'm going to do here, I'm gonna copy this code. This is a HTML code. I'm gonna copy it. When you copy it, go to your website. You can either edit on a post. Okay, let's say we want to add it in a post. If you want to add it on this post, you can just click here, click add HTML code, paste it. You see, if you click preview, this is what you got. I'm gonna update this post. Let's check. As you can see, this is the button. So this is how you create and add a PayPal button on your website. And I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Thank you for watching this video. Ciao.